Welcome back, guys. Again, it's another bike check. Today, I have the Jamie's Renegade Expat 2017. So this is a cyclocross or a hybrid bike. Made chromoly steel with big tires, knobby tires, carbon fork, and the handlebar is a drop bar with a little flare. This is used mostly for gravel roads. The color of this is called Ano Palladium. It looks like a steel bear color, or it looks like a chromoly bear, but it's not. It's painted like a gray matte finish. So the frame is a cyclocross geometry with the Reynolds 520 double-butted SST chromoly. So it is all external routed cables, no internal cables. The fork is a Jamie's Adventure Eco Monocoque carbon composite fork. The tires is a Clements Explorer 36 by 700C. So this means this is a 29er. This bike accepts up to 42C with tires. The rims is a WTB I-23 STP disc rim, so which means this is already a disc brake bike. The shifter is a Tiagra STI, so means it is combined for both brakes and shifter. And then the drop bar is a Ritchie drop bar. The stem is Ritchie also, and the headset is a FSA headset. The saddle, we have a Brooks saddle C15. The crankset, we have a FSA Grossamer or Grossamer, whatever, 170 crank arm length, and chain rings are 50 and 30/40. The front derailleur is a Shimano Tiagra front derailleur with an XT mountain bike pedal cleats. The chain is a KMC chain 10 speed, and we have the rear derailleur, a Tiagra Shimano Tiagra derailleur, rear derailleur. The cog set at the back is a 11 tooth or 11T to 32T. So here is the exciting part. We have the disc brake. So the disc brake is a TRP, mechanical disc brake, with a 160 mm rotor disc, also a TRP disc brake. This is for both front and rear. So as you can see, this is a steel bike. This is actually heavy, 11 kilos weight without the accessories yet and without even the pedals. So this is actually owned by my brother-in-law. He has 2 bottle cages and a Topic Ninja tool set below this Topic bottle cage. So I haven't had a chance to try this one, so maybe next week I will try to ride this one So maybe I will not go crazy. First, I was planning to ride this like in a blue zone, but thinking of it, it's like a suicidal, no dropper on the seat post, and a dropper and a drop bar seems like a suicidal job or ride, so I will pass on that. But definitely, I'm sure this will be rougher than a hardtail, but better than a road bike. You see, this is actually practical for our roads here in the Philippines, which we have so many bad roads. Riding a road bike is not really practical. Although it's faster, it's lighter, but it's dangerous. We had a friend that rode a road bike, a morning ride, and he went straight to the hospital because his tires went into in between the grills of the drainage cover on the streets, which made him go over the bar, break his teeth or broke his teeth, and then went to the hospital and ride the wheelchair. So that's it for this quick bike check for the Cyclocross CX or hybrid bike. If you like this, please like it, share, and please don't forget to subscribe. Also, click on the bell for notifications when I have new videos uploaded. So I'll see you on my next video.